Let's begin by opening your Google Chrome web browser and going to classroom.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. If you're using a school or organization account, ensure it has permission to use Google Classroom. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Classroom homepage. On the homepage, look for the plus symbol in the top right corner and click on it. Select Create Class. A pop-up window will appear. Fill in the necessary details. Class name, this is required. Example is Introduction to Technology. Section, subject, and room. These are optional but can help you organize your class. Once you fill out the information, click Create. Once your class is created, you'll be taken to the main class page. To personalize the classroom, click Customize. In this area, you can change the theme or upload your own image. A fun option is to go into Canva and type in the search bar Google Classroom banner. From there, you have numerous templates that will be a starting point for you to customize. So if you click into any of them, you can customize the template and make it your own by adding your name and your class name. Once you're done customizing in Canva, you would click Share and Download. In Google Classroom, after you click Customize on the main page, you can upload a photo and then search for the photo that you downloaded. From here, you'll just extend the sides and then select Class Theme. Once you add it, just click Save, and now you have a new customized banner. The last step is to add an announcement. Announcements in Google Classroom streamline communication by providing a centralized space for sharing updates, resources, and reminders, ensuring all students stay informed and engaged. They enhance organization, foster interaction, and help establish a structured learning environment. To create an announcement, you're going to make sure you're on the Stream tab, and then click inside the center where it says Announce something to your class. For your first announcement, you'll have a pop-up that says Post Now or Plan Ahead. You can click Got It, and then you can type in your message. For example, Welcome. You can also add a hyperlink by highlighting the text you want to hyperlink or by pasting the entire link in the box. For example, if we go to our EDIT 650 website and copy the entire link, and then we can go to that welcome and add a link. So that'll add directly into the announcement. Once you hit post, you have your link, which will bring you to that class website. Google Classroom allows you to manage whether students can comment or announce or interact with the stream. To access the class settings, click the gear icon on the top right corner of the page to open the settings menu. Scroll to the general settings, and in the general settings, you'll find a label called Stream, Streaming Classwork, and then just Stream. Click on the drop-down menu next to Stream to select one of the following options. Students can post and comment, students can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. Once you're finished, and if you make any changes, you'll hit Save on the top right of the page. That's the final step to this first video on creating a Google Classroom, customizing your banner, and posting your first announcement.